Hello, my name is Chris Gallen with Linmore LED, and today we'd like to take a couple of minutes of your time to show you our new AH1 high bay, talk about a few of its features and then what you can expect to find in the box. In each box is going to come a set of detailed installation instructions explaining the many different ways of how you can hang it in the field and how it would be electrically attached to the electrical system. Additionally, in each box you're going to find a set of jack chain and V-clips. So 2 sets of jack chain, 2 V-clips. Each fixture includes 10 foot of factory installed SO cord in white. The V-clips attach in the 2 slots at the end of the AH1. And of course the jack chain would be field installed by your installation contractor or electrician by the end of the V-clip. If you are using hanging cables, which can be purchased as a separate accessory, it's important to note that whereas they come in a V, both clips need to be applied to the end of the V-clip. Our new AH1 high bay comes in a wide range of lumen packages from 12,000 to 48,000 lumens, and the chassis size can be anywhere between 14 and 23 inches. You'll note that the chassis is made of cast aluminum. The purpose on this is to be able to dissipate and manage heat in a way that ensures long life for your new AH1. The fixture comes with no standard onboard controls. However, adding controls in the field is simply a matter of plug and play. You'll notice right here a simple common electrical 1/2-inch threaded knockout. Simply unthread the knockout with a Phillips screwdriver and screw in the Linmore provided occupancy sensor. And in doing so in this manner, there's no need to access the wireway or do any field wiring. It is simply a plug and play sensor that can be interfaced with this very easy to use remote. Some additional accessories that can be provided with this particular fixture is different bracketry. We have options for in-mount bracketry that can be used to surface mount a fixture to a hard lid, or also a pendant mount bracket that can allow you to have either threaded rod or conduit into the back of the fixture. And lastly, we offer these with field installable battery backup units. Thank you. We appreciate your time and we appreciate you choosing Linmore LED.